Our school, Opendoor Christian School, is on Ruhuha Road. From Ruhuha Center up to our school, Opendoor Christian School, is 200 meters.
From Ruhuha Center up to Opendoor Christian School is 200 meters. This is the schedule of our school. As you see, its name and the logo of our school. Our option is nursery and primary. You are welcome in our school. In our school, we have different roles. A few of them are: the first one, keep our school clean and safe, we strive for excellence. The second, throw all rubbish in dustbin to maintain our environment clean. Wash your hands after visiting toilet. Thank you for listening us. I would like to inform all the parents to bring their children here. All of you are welcome in Opendoor Christian School.